Amazon.com login, how to log into Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can log into Amazon account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log into Amazon account, simply open up your browser and then you simply actually have to go to Amazon.com. So basically just open up your browser over here, then open up a new tab and just go to Amazon.com. So when you basically go to Amazon.com, you will come to this page, and if you haven't logged in already, you'll find a sign in button from the top right. Tap on the sign in option, then just make sure to enter your email or your phone number, then just tap on next, then make sure to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you can tap on the sign in option to sign into your Amazon account. This way you can basically sign into your Amazon account. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.